devotional places. Yadadri Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple. Yamlavada Rajarajeshwari Temple. Medaram Sammaka Saraka Temple. Hadwal Joglama Temple. Alangar Namappa Temple. Sri Kondavatta Anjaneyya Temple. Hyderabad Peddamma Talli Temple. Medak Edapayala Jatra. Hyderabad Chilkuri Balaji Temple. Hanmakonda Thousand Pillars Temple. Basala Saraswati Temple. Kumravelli Mallikarjuna Swami Temple. Kaleshwara Sri Kaleshwara Mutteshwara Temple. Temple Sitaramalaya Temple. Warangal Bhadrakali Temple. Yadatri Farnagiri Temple. Dharmapuri Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple.